Hi, my name's Elisa. This video is going to show you how to look at student data by learning goal in the Student Learning Notebook. So let's get started. In the Student Learning Notebook, we can view student data by learning goals in multiple ways. The first way to view student data by learning goal is to begin by selecting All Evidence from the left-hand side of your screen and the tab on the top labeled My Evidence. Expand the desired learning map that addresses the learning goal you want to view. This will expand the learning goal to display lots of information associated with this particular goal, including associated files, linked overarching learning goals, learning skills, evidence sources, achievement categories, classes, subject strands, and curriculum expectations. If you double-click on a piece of evidence, you can view each student and their overall performance for a particular learning goal. You can choose to make the evidence private or choose to share it with the student by deselecting the checkbox. You are also able to provide descriptive feedback and quickly see which success criteria were met and not met by the student for that particular learning goal. The second way to view student data by learning goal is by selecting All Evidence from the left-hand side of your screen and the Student Achievement tab on the top. You can view the progress for each student for each piece of evidence. By selecting the evidence, you can see a quick summary of the learning goal and the success criteria that the student has met or not met. By selecting Show Full Details, that will take you back to the original screen we saw earlier that outlines all students and their progress. The last way to view student data by learning goal is by selecting Students from the left-hand side of your screen. This will allow you to view each student individually by double-clicking on a student. You can also choose the Student Details tab on the top and search for a desired student. You will see each piece of evidence that has been documented. By selecting a piece of evidence, you will see the learning goal and the success criterion that the student has met or not met. If you expand the Learning Map folder, you can see what success criteria have been met or not met with the evidence and the assessed levels for each learning goal. You can then use this information to help you determine if students are achieving the desired learning goal based on the assessment data you have gathered. It can also help inform groupings based on students who have not yet met a particular success criterion in order to provide descriptive feedback or targeted instruction. Congratulations! You have just learned how to look at student data by learning goals in the Student Learning Notebook.